Launch X431 ADAS Mobile. Make smart ADAS calibration even smarter. Two arms can be folded back to the main stand closely, even the crank handle. The multifunctional base integrates 360 degrees rotating, lock and unlock, and height adjustment. The equilateral triangle design ensures a stable frame. The base is easy to be folded completely flat. The unique fully foldable design minimizes the transporting risk and speed up the setup procedure. The digital distance laser shows the crossbar height and makes sure it is equal to the standard value precisely. The target horizontal position is adjustable on the sliding bar. 5-line laser and fine-tuning switch to center the device in parallel to the vehicle. The special small target design makes it convenient to carry and store, and the corner-guarded design against drop and shock. The standard target package includes 23 car makes, which covers the most daily calibration. Quick access to ADAS calibration by step-by-step tutorial graphics makes it easy to operate and saves time. It has been integrated on X431 diagnostic tools. X431 ADAS Mobile, the best all-in-one calibration tool for easy to use. Start to calibrate in seconds. No more tedious work of disassembly and installation. X431 ADAS Mobile. Make smart ADAS calibration even smarter.